Houston boy who was raised by the sea, finding out what this life could be. Well, I took my turn and I felt the burn. Now I'm banged up and on my knees. Where you going when times get rough? Granny asked me when I was young. Now I'm riding through the red mud, through the fields that he oh so loved. Well, I've been and broken, lost and damned, in the world hanging on by a string. Every road I go down just circles round to the part of my own hometown. Just another spoke in the wheel, blade of grass, grain of sand in the field. But I smile at the sky for the morning sunrise, 'cause it's proof that we all can heal. Hold on tight when the storm clouds come. There's always light when you can't see none. Keep the air inside of your lungs.
Was a modern-day gypsy when she stumbled into town. She had some tricks up her sleeve, and she took my heart and disappeared. She went up that mountain just like I feared. Come on down from Shaker Mountain, shake for me one more time. Won't you come on down from Shaker Mountain, shake right by my side. Alright, alright. Now my daddy told me in earnest not to go up that trail. He said I should be nervous, that I might come back a different man. Not at all, not at all. Come on down from Shaker Mountain, shake for me one more time. Won't you come on down from Shaker Mountain, shake right by my side. Alright, alright. And I tried to call you in the night, just to see if my voice could reach those peaks. But all I got in reply was that cold, cold breeze and that